Hi, my name is Sarah, and this is my story with Energize Chiropractic. So back when I was in junior year of high school, I was having a lot of lower back pain. I was a cross-country and track runner, very involved in sports, and I started getting numbness in my legs during my races to the point where I felt like I couldn't walk anymore. At the end of my races, I had a couple falls in my races, and so we ended up going to a cardiologist thinking that I had a heart issue, but after that we ended up finding I had sciatica. So my dad was a patient at Energize Chiropractic, and it was time for me to come in and get adjusted. So we have been dealing with my sciatica and also dealing with my neck because I've been having essentially tech neck where I'm losing the curvature in my neck. So for the past couple of years we've been staying on top of that and making sure that with my sciatica it is reduced so I can still be running and being able to be active without having lower back pain or numbness. So when I first started, it was basically 3 times a week right after school for probably going on a month. And I started to see a lot of results. I was able to start running again without having any pain, any nerves, pain shooting in my lower back. And then we slowly started to reduce it back to a couple times a week and then once every 2 weeks. And slowly we started pulling back and seeing more results to the point where if I needed to start coming in and if I was having a subluxation or if I was having any lower back issues or neck issues, we'd come in, get that situated, get me readjusted. When I came to Energize, I had so many great relationships with Dr. Michelle and Dr. Jeremy, and they'd always be checking on with me, and Dr. Michelle and I would always have a lot of life updates and just like talk during my progress exams. And then also to just now be a part, a full week in working with the team is just, I feel so much more connected with them in a sense that I really am a part of the family because we're a team, but also as a team, we're a family and we're getting through as a family to help other patients to get back to normal life and to feel better and to make sure that their day is brighter with the experience they have with us. And I think that's so great to be a part of because to feel the energy and good vibes that come from Energize, to know that I'm helping that with other people is huge to me because that was something I loved about Energize when I would come in every day. And I love now being at the front desk and doing the same stuff that they would do, have great conversations with our patients and just get to talk about life with them and how their treatment's going and how I'm looking forward to seeing them each time they come in and starting to learn their names, and just getting in those relationships is a huge thing for me to see the other side of Energize on the inside. It's been really fun.